Let's be honest. You're tired of the 9 to 5 grind, sick of living paycheck to paycheck, and dreaming of a life where you're actually in control of your time and money. But what if I told you that making $100 a day online, without any prior experience, isn't just possible, but actually pretty simple? Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, check your phone, and see that money has rolled into your account overnight. No boss. No office. Just you, your laptop, and the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. But here's the problem. If you miss even one key step, you could waste all your time and effort. That's why you need to watch this video till the end, because I'm about to give you a complete step-by-step plan so you can start making money today. If you can write, design graphics, edit videos, or manage social media, you can start making money right now. If you've ever written a killer Instagram caption for a friend, congratulations, you're already halfway to being a copywriter. The key is to niche down. Instead of just being a freelancer, position yourself as a TikTok ad copywriter or a YouTube thumbnail designer. That's how you make real money. Build curiosity for the next method, and if you think freelancing takes too much time, the next method will show you how to make money while you sleep. Here's how it works. You create a design, like a t-shirt, mug, or phone case, and platforms like Redbubble or Teespring handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. You just collect the profits. Yes, you get paid when people wear your designs. And if you're thinking, but I don't know how to design. Don't worry, free tools like Canva exist, and nowadays, AI can create designs for you too. But if you don't want to deal with products at all, the next method lets you make money with just your voice. Did you know that thousands of YouTube channels are making millions without ever showing their face? And no, you don't need millions of subscribers. Even a small channel can make serious money. But if you want even faster money, the next method can start earning you cash as soon as tomorrow. Affiliate marketing is where you promote products and earn a commission on every sale, without creating anything yourself. Amazon, ClickBank, and software companies pay people like you to drive sales. It's basically digital matchmaking, but way more profitable. But what if I told you that you can make money just by talking? The final method is the easiest of them all. If you have knowledge about fitness, business, or finance, people are already willing to pay for your advice. Think about it, people are paying for your opinion. Your parents gave you advice for free, and look where that got them. Just coach 2 clients at $50 per session, and boom, you're making $100 a day. So here are 5 simple ways to make $100 a day online, no experience needed. Now you have 2 choices. 1, forget this video and keep living the same life. 2, take action today and move toward financial freedom. I already know which choice you'll make. If you're serious, pick a method and start today. If you want more details, comment below. I might create a full tutorial. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's start your journey to a wealthy life.